got in touch with the club of Ransford Yeboah Honensdorfer. We spoke to Hamburg. Hamburg then assured us that they will speak to the player. So we ended up inviting him because he was on the standby list. Straight away, we sent him a ticket and he arrived late last night. So that is the situation. Today, he's trained with the team, looking very lively. Yes, Ransford has come in for Brandon Thomas Asante and then Iñaki Williams. The coaches decided not to bring in a second player because of the closeness to the first match against Austria on Friday. We'll have only tomorrow to train. Thursday's training is not an extensive training. It's not a training of higher intensity, so we didn't want to bring in a second player. So that is the situation we find ourselves at the moment.
Okay, nti anu Henry Asante twum na odi ntwemu edi eba niam mu take into account wo mu edi Ransford edi eba na owi ebebe na sports minister Nhyira Kofi Adams edi nkobo kakra edi emaye atesa evad wono na fam de wo fi se bibi bia so ye na se Black Stars players no so mo ne omusia no mo tene ma ase ansa na wake up no cry ebekọ no proper yetimi akobia no wono odi sa ne mani nyina ebegu akwam na fe what say ni ye sani be Ghana yakwa yenso yenkonkogu yehu anima ase na afe etimi enso aboye pra Nhyira Kofi Adams eniama ono nso edito etwa enso enie.
Your Excellency, I want to assure you and the nation that the players understand what lies ahead. They are preparing with focus and discipline, and they are committed to representing Ghana strongly on the global stage. Your Excellency, I want to assure you and the nation that the players understand what lies ahead. They are preparing with focus and discipline, and they are committed to representing Ghana strongly on the global.
Okay, anu Nhyira Kofi Adams ono so enkoma eja wode etu edwa ye pietire edi ama na enu eti ana osan di we eba beto aso say players ne de wonu mu nyina enso asia eyie pa.
For the team, I have told them and I know that the players want to be paid for the work, no doubt about that. But at the same time, they also understand that we have a country also to run. And so it's a two-way affair. Mostly once you engage them and they know what is due them and it is paid at the time that it must be paid, I don't think that you will have any problem with them. And so we are working very well to reach agreements with the management and the leadership of the team, or if possible, the entire team, on what is due place to make sure that we honor those arrangements that we agreed.
And Nhyira Kofi Adams no o say Black Stars players ni bibia oni o maka bia no o yeso so matiase na afi bibia nso o maso mo no ombehe no maye ne kama e de mo se na be a players ni nso be yi o mu yam e de esi akan e de mo man ana o che se one day wake up aye ko o wogidie enso e wo mu ye pa so ombehe na o mo nso aye adwuma na atimi aboa na FA president enso akasa na ono nso je se eji no Black Stars ya emu ya de pa support ne de ho na o believe say yakwa yebetimi aye bibipa enkomo kakra ono nso edijae ewo dwumade su ni.
I would appeal to all of us to believe in our national team, to support our national team, because football is capital intensive. It only takes continuous investment to get the desired results. And the massive attendance here speaks volumes of your commitment to support the desire of our president. On that note,
okay, nti anonso ya Mr. Keti yeso kreku FA president odonso nkoma wode maaye enso eni now yamra local football Asante Doko enso eguso a wo mo prepare once new board aba FA na Kotoko new CEO Kotoko new coach so yetete se ba ebisi ebe bro ni ebisi dabi Kotoko ebe fa local coach onne bet coach o home prepare Prince Owusu ani ebisi ansa sansem ya titi wutibia ema eja pressure na ema pressure bi ba so ama adwuma no pro ho se obaya na ano so da bi on de agoroko adwuma no de sabio se owie ne mpefo ka se wabon homoden on to so nya adwuma na woni problem bia emom sakoba se ene ono no beto aso a sabio oni hweka but on the pressure pa de enya de se ebi enso ewo no so.
Yeah, if I admit it that there's pressure on me, it's a lie. I'm relaxed doing it because hey, let it be. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I'm able to win the matches and they said, sir, you got to go, what are you going to do? Nothing about it. You're going to go. So I'm not relying on those teams to put pressure on myself. No way.
Okay, I know I am some pens and so attitude, but that question in here. I asked to Edumano, I ain't fan of the Kotoko Dua. I said Kotoko Manetna. And I said, we are. Eja yefana as interim coach ntino we we na adwuma ekodofo ekodokomfa omankasa coach mra na asesai eno dia ene adope yehwe ewo eye bamaso Steve Zando atena se Kofi enso ewa Steve ma mensa say free good morning.
Yeah, good morning Gabi.
And pum to say
shall I be fine I say
nyame adom bia
na Prince Owusu opekotoko adwuma na wonyi na infrizo.
Yes say na coach ben na wonya adwuma onye
masa. I honestly doubt Prince Owusu Kotoko Jumano on a permanent basis because me who say he has not done enough. Nazito Koe 2 wins, 2 defeats, 1 drawn game. One starting year with Kotoko supporters, you know.
Okay.
For me, maybe a time of a picky team was the wrong time for him. Because at the time, we were not expecting Karen Dito to exit the scene. Na Zito Koe na pressure on him the first game against the bitterest rivals Accra Hearts of Folk. And from there no yasheni mienu and about draw back. Usanke na nkebia the Michael Carrick here Man United no first 5 matches what I say consistent results. They make what I say. But about 5 matches 2 defeat 2 wins. Kotoko supporters so the Tisia Bontinebusa omu say. Omu ojidi o coach we anka almost a nation is 3-0 and a Sunday. Vox Pop, your name as I can say, Kotoko fans here, Vox Pop. Almost watching nation is 3-0 dear, but still he's not the right man for the job. And he Metanaso cast a pressure in his own him say, season equal obako. Okay. Enquire Zito Deribia, ya Pamu Guma Emani by mid season. Ya ne Modemo Sweni, or GFA Cup, and making sure Kotoko respectable position in the end. And so now the argument was that, Nazito the Yaji FA Cup, kwa Africa. Nazito Korea so the dreams akwa Africa kobo group stage at the money zone there. I didn't think he considered because at the time he had experience in Africa. You can't say the same thing about Prince Owusu. I don't think he has done enough to even merit that conversation in the first place. Say Yaman internal beyond the current campaign. And I can tell you, Kotoko body abai. Omu peso omunya CEO new management baba. And I'm telling you, on authority say, Omupe coach is also.
Yeah, for that.
Of course. Now we got to be Prince Owusu Ojidi Onimu. In all honesty, with all due respect, Mimi who say, onye enough for Kotoko.
Okay.
Say be menatna. Because Zito Koye na oba no results no aye on and off.
This 8 matches na can also win ni.
Oh, but say the why ni be so aka say be win ni nyina. And I make us say the why no. HSA he has not done enough. Until the next 8 matches, we need now surprise me and I'll prove me wrong.
Okay.
Edura will have that conversation.
Okay.
But as we speak here, Rich, Gabi, Kotoko fans na crown omuni gidi o Prince Owusu.
And now no kwasi they say almost say born the oma hebete born in.
So that's what I'm saying. So omuni gidi onimu and Prince Owusu, I don't think the Kotoko fans are really blaming him. Okay. Because time no be far season or be far team no. Ebi crown na nanka option bia na anyone dey adwuma ne ma no.
Yeah.
What? And I think he was not even expecting the job at that time. What I say? Few days before Super Clash, Zito's one to assume so Kotoko for now and then the cast on qua. So at the time, when no assistant coach in the no one expected to say the boss be called. Now Kotoko, what they should have done is that. Oh, Pamu head coach, assistant no more than a
because if we in a big teams, you'll be a Pamo and then assistant.
Exactly. Now you me saying boom. Maybe a contest is different because Sika de go for coach in there at the time maybe a binu and they all that no contract no. Yeah man to man so. Be so be Pam head could the assistant head there. They would do it there. You call Ivory Coast yeah, Chris Uti uncle. You was an assistant in tra. Na go come better here. The convention boys that Panini kwa onen omo asini.
Yeah, of course.
And you see, for me Prince Owusu was brought in to salvage the situation.
Okay.
It is a name I come na season and there. Oh, near Adanasi. But if I were him, Prince Owusu should know say Kotoko no coach in a big club.
Yeah.
And to make sure that Kotoko benya respectable position in the end. Respectable position in the say, Ebiaba finishing within top 3 as we speak. Kotoko na third.
Yeah.
42 points. 6 points behind league leaders.
Yeah.
Ibiani Gold Stars. 8 matches to go. Memetiai. Me ni GD o Kotoko team will make magic league. You know. Omo prove me wrong. And me omo boba omo. But as we speak, me ni GD o mumu.
Okay.
But at the back of his mind, he should know say anya she no. One team stay at first now Kotoko nya respectable position. Say the bad that you cast me when he say oh Zito Kraja team no koye no at the time I na expect so be kono. So ba no obekam near ma de nya position kama.
Okay.
What did they make an
me nim say what the Covid Adams the ene beto aso na me Kofi fi so e.
Oh say yeah Kotoko.
Yeah. Entanka me ma Kofi mi wi ana.
Black Stars no.
Ah.
You see
ka wi man prek na me Kofi.
Quick one Dabi Black Stars.
Say the Adams say players no money what is at stake. Ana oni players ne nso akasa ana nkonko yese an de ne mo kan ya anya ne sa ono be de so ye bia de se player bia nya bia on be se di ebe mom pepe person e bia e betima boy
Gabi in the last years a Black Stars ne nya ade no yeah bobo tournament na say bobo match bia mpanyimfo no positive conversation say ya no de ba bontin en crunch sem na twi ni beka no ya o magana fonya reshemu say team ne ko mo koya ade. In any case, before the match, you don't expect Penny to say sports ministers or because we need GD or Black Stars to go. So some of these things are expected. My problem with the current Black Stars team, the makeup of the team. I think some areas in the team, ensure there need some level of consistency, especially in the attack.
Okay.
Eti metoi, Ayana Antoine Semenyo she goose, Emma Man City and Emma de. But na sahami because about Black Stars are ultimately the same thing. What the American has it? And you see the national team. Esa eya me ya more Brandon ni Iñaki Williams and making squad because I was really expecting to see what Otuado brings on board this time around with recognized center forwards around. Okay. It's a team no akoka. I mean recognized center forwards are nim wo musa no normal deal with Masama and Antoine Semenyo. And Antoine Semenyo is no Black Stars in Ansenya on to me she goes or Shamane club Bournemouth Man City no she goes. Enti Otuado no and also ye team no make sure say Black Stars there anya hwe obi a wotie bia we memory of the last 20 years Black Stars when Asamoah was banging in the goals consistently. And Asamoah fading out kwano Majid Waris by Jordan Ayew by Richmond Boachi ya do munyina be pass you through. Enti owosi ye team nya Antoine Semenyo form no Man City so fast the Black Stars sa anya sana Semenyo e bobo match no struggle ni ye nya no so fast na Black Stars win winning matches are Ghanaians will not be happy. And I am worried for the Black Stars team because currently most of our key players are out on a normal day. Salisu saw a starter of Black Stars. What did I make an say? Yeah, can I say? Kudus Mohammed, a starter. Oh, say KBA. No, but Inaki Williams too.
And
he was supposed to be a key player in the setup.
Baby, our fan are very broad. Into young fans tonight, na ye BMU because I know proud to your game na beba so Friday. Quick one, my mintie na me hwese menya kakra dia maholo to amedame ho ba.
Time dey yenye no china.
Yenye na china.
So was a quick one.
Sa ene hwe Kotoko de ne fama me.
In some near detailed.
Nti hwe Kotoko de ne fama me tena ye ba na ye Black Stars de ne proper.
Whatever Kotoko new board ni person mo ye no. Coach on person mo de ne ba. Whether Prince or say or not, it has to be aligned with the vision of the club.
Kofi na ya say clubs in vision. Yeah, you will be Kofi.
Of course, I'm more vision. And in Nissan come start to cry.
Sir, me the Ghanaian Premier League clubs na ya me hunu ni sa
or more vision. It's probably not well written down when you're in the structural form and you book mudi pepe, but there's a vision of the club. Then on person we under 5 months. Omo ko pimso catch on near some after 5 years. Inti say in the next 5 years, and you got the vision so be Jili Yako Africa Akakoji, but I saw prepare any team, they keep you on the coach should align with that vision.
Okay.
And yet chinchine try and say Prince or say nyadi inte so pam Prince or say and yes chinchine try Prince or say a part of the old regime so keep Prince or say now we keep there be then I will pay.
Okay,
then you bring a coach to that effect. Say Ignacio Seifusu ni bit my boy could do baby up so corner then bring his eyes so Seifusu say you know really na mad ni bit my boy could baby up and now the naba say a young youthful exuberant coach and I'll tell the neighbor now the naba. That is how you run a football club into whoever the management will be. Somebody before Kotoko Jumana. And yet the same thing of Unya Befire and yes, okay. Aqua with the Opekotoko Pa, TF and Manadi Naba. If the coach doesn't match the vision, oh trouble. Because you are setting coach some your plug and play. So also and your person Kotoko winning league next season. Your coach or Ghana beat Kotoko winning league next season.
Okay.
With the materials that they have.
Ghana.
Yes.
Ghana locally.
Yes.
Coach Bay.
Now Gumbe for Kotoko, how many years he taking for one
was there
league?
recently, but he didn't win the
No,
league.
what I'm saying is that probably win the league guy or more magic league be paying the season that he can win the league. Especially with these Kotoko players that have been there for a while now. Kotoko players no the compare team or top half of the league table, especially from first or fourth. No keep on players actually. Samatex, Yamekan has a Samatex. Nations FC, he no more that. Mediama, where are they? Dreams FC, where are they? Kotoko kept there for the very first time in a long time, keeping the players for 2 seasons straight. A core of them. Someone Dogani or Neo Munina, your friend is Henry Antsumunya, they were playing and Ogum. They were all there. So this is an experienced bunch. Into per coach, that's what we saw league next season. There's a coach that can win the old fan Nurudin Amiri before Ebe Kotoko ornament. Now next season, no Bajiri Nama Kotoko.
Okay.
No, they will win the league for Kotoko next season. I mean, this is a man who has won it with Samatex with little resource. We're winning more. Into betting a league for Kotoko.
So now could be because Bashu Nanko the same.
Bashu can go ahead and win a league for Kotoko. Anytime make us say, then our club no pay. Ebia Nurudin Amadou because we're nini and you don't think to bet team in a sense of consistency and continuity for 3 years. Then you say, okay, that rules out Nurudin Amadou. Into me funny ma. You understand? It comes down to vision. So our vision is to grow the team for the long term. Then you don't worry yourself to go and bring nine man pressure settings on your league now. Then you bring in a young coach. No one conscientize our fans because you have a journey that you are on.
So from there, okay, says Metia said there, then now it was wrong, sir. Omdi Bashu for Beba.
Say almost on the Bashu for Beba. It is again, it goes back to the vision of the club. Oka say wronger. You may be sidestepping with the vision because only vision nana.
Say there was the woman here.
And you say there was vision.
There was there okay. Say no yes
say 5 year mandate. Say Mame Kotoko Ejumano. But they will have a vision and plan.
Okay.
Short term, first 1 to 2 years. Then of course the first to 50 years is the long term vision.
And I no the other that you name from TTS so mutimi budget Champions League.
Oh, say any of my analysis now will say team win to the Champions League into a different vision. Say targets there. Sebi menya sure say me set target Kotoko for me meeting.
Okay.
So they will set a realistic target for them. And for me, whoever comes in, Bashier for now pa. That's Bashier for fits the vision of the club. Now Kotoko episode building the next 5 years and now. It's same for whoever becomes the management CEO of the club.
Okay.
And so align it with the vision of the board.
Because me and my samba metio me say vision ya okay your clubs they were yes running kofi ya na clubs no movie
the board has a vision na mami fancy ma because here do every fan is Sama what's his name
maybe any Ghost Stars
there is a vision of the club. Sama Tex had a vision some muji league no be part of the club part of teams or magic open friend is saying Karela mo vision is on be league nim onye dey so we league. In Duke of Karela now, Uko coach league. You are going aside, you're sidestepping your vision. Into obey every club in the Ghana Premier League has a vision. I crowd to folk, they can tell you for a fact. Said this season, the vision of the club was not to win the league. Because one team.
Okay.
So you ought to have a vision and then plan that you go towards it.
Medasima me na me homra me ba na ya to aso e dia mama